Good morning, students. So we will start exercise 8. In this exercise, you will learn some new formulas. So before starting the formulas, listen the one concept that suppose you have gone to the market and you are getting the discount on any article. So on which amount you get the discount? Suppose you are purchasing one slipper. That slipper is cost of rupees 150 and it 150 is written on the slipper and you are getting the discount of 30 rupees. How much amount you will pay? After rupees 30 discount, how much amount you will pay? You will pay rupees 120. It means you are subtracting 30 rupees from 150. What is 150? 150 is the price written on that slipper. So it means the written price that I told you, that is marked price, and it is also called list price. So you are subtracting the discount from marked price of the article. So discount is always calculated on marked price. So discount term you will get new in this exercise, and mark price also. Mark price we have discussed earlier also. So selling price is coming 120. How selling price 120 is coming? Selling price is equal to mark price. What you are subtracting from mark price? Discount you are subtracting. So mark price minus discount. In the same way, mark price is equal to selling price plus discount. Then discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. One more formula, discount percent as profit percent, now discount percent. So discount upon mark price, because discount always calculated on mark price. So discount upon MP into 100%. So one more formula, then mark price is equal to 100 upon 100 minus discount percent multiplied by selling price. Then selling price is equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 multiply mark price. Listen the formulas again. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. Mark price is equal to selling price plus discount. Discount is equal to mark price minus selling price. Then discount percent is equal to discount upon MP into 100%. Then two new formulas. Mark price is equal to, when discount percent and selling price is given, then formula of mark price 100 upon 100 minus discount percent multiplied by SP. Then selling price is equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 multiplied by mark price. So you have to learn these formulas also. Now students, first word problem of exercise 8. That is, an article is marked for rupees 1300 and is sold for rupees 1144. Find the discount percent. So what is given? Mark price of article is equal to rupees 1300 and sold for rupees 1144. It is the selling price of article, rupees 1144. Find the discount percent. So we have to find the discount percent. This is the question. Formula of discount percent: discount upon MP into 100%. It means to put the value in formula we need discount. So discount is equal to MP minus SP, mark price minus selling price. So rupees 1300 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 4, 5, then 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 3. So discount is coming rupees 156. Then discount percent is equal to discount upon MP into 100% is equal to discount 156 upon mark price is 1300 multiplied 100%. Both the zero cancel. 13 1 the 13, 2 remainder, 13 to the 26. So discount percent is coming 12%. See, for discount percent, formula is discount upon MP into 100. To put the value in the formula, we need discount also. So discount is equal to MP minus SP. That is coming for rupees 156. Then after putting the values in discount percent, we are getting 12%. So discount percent is 12%. Next, second sum. The mark price of a table is rupees 23,600 and is available at a discount of 8%. Find its selling price. So we have to find the selling price, mark price and discount percent is given. We have written one formula that selling price is equal to 100 minus discount percent upon 100 multiplied by M. See, mark price of table is equal to rupees 23,600. Then what is given? Discount percent is equal to 8%. What we have to find? Selling price of table. Selling price of table is equal to, formula is 100 minus D percent upon 100 multiplied by P. Listen again, formula of selling price when discount percent and mark price is given, 100 minus discount percent upon 100 multiplied by mark price is equal to 100 minus how many percent? 8 upon 100 multiplied by mark price is rupees 23,600. So it will come 92 upon 100 multiplied by rupees 23600. Both the zero cancel. Now 92 multiply 236. So 236 multiply 92. 2 6 are 12, carry 1, 2 3 are 6 1, 7, 2 2 are 4, 9 6 are 54, 5 carry 9 3 are 27 plus 5, 32, 3 carry 9 to the 18 and 3, 21. So 2 1 7 1 2. So selling price of table is coming rupees 21,712. So the answer is 21,712. Now students, see third sum, that is our wristwatch is available at a discount of 9%. So discount percent is given. If the list price of watch is rupees 1400, what is given? List price of watch. It means mark price is equal to rupees 1400. Find the discount and selling price of watch. So we have to find the discount also. Discount is equal to how many percent? 9% of mark price or list price. Discount is your 9% of list price because discount always calculated on mark price or list price. So is equal to 9 upon 100 of rupees 1400. Both the zero cancel. cancel. So 49 are rupees 126. 49 the 126. So discount is coming rupees 126. Then what we have to find? Selling price of watch. So selling price of watch is equal to, formula is 100 minus discount percent upon 100 multiply MB. That formula we can use, but here we can use direct formula also. Selling price of watch is equal to mark price minus discount. List price minus discount. If we have discount in rupees, then use this formula. So list price rupees 1400 minus discount is rupees 126. Selling price is equal to rupees 4. 9 minus 2 7. Then 3 minus 1 2. Then 1. So selling price of watch is coming rupees 1274. Next, question number 4. A man sells an article for rupees 248.50 after allowing a discount of 10%. Find the list price of the article. So what is given? 248.50 selling price of article. SP of article is equal to rupees 248.50. Then discount percent is equal to how many percent? It is 10%. Then what is asking? List price of article is equal to quotient mark. So LP of article is equal to 100 upon 100 minus discount percent multiplied by selling price. Formula is 100 upon 100 minus discount percent multiplied by S. So 100 upon 100 minus how many percent discount? 10 multiplied by selling price is 248.50. So is equal to 100 upon 90 multiplied rupees 248.50. So we can remove the decimal. How many 0? 2 0, because decimal after 2 places. So 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel, this 0 to 0 also cancel. So what we have? Rupees 2485 upon 9. So if it is divisible, then we will divide, otherwise we will give answer in decimal. Yes, rupees 2485 upon 9. So by 9 we will divide this. 2485, 9 to the 18, remainder is 6 and 8. 9 7 the 63, remainder is 5. Then we will write 5 and we will put decimal and not we will put decimal at 0. Remainder is 5. Then we will take 5 also. 9 6 the 54. Then 1. Then we have to decimal and 0. 9 1 the 9. Then 1. So continuously it will come 1. So it is coming to is 276.10. Or if we are writing a box, we can write 2 rupees 276. So the list price of article